trees. Picnic time, hooray, hooray! Forest friends all help today. Set the blankets, bring the treats. Make the meadow full of sweets. Bunny bakes some carrot pie. Birds hang lanterns way up high. Turtle sets the cups in rows. Deer brings flowers. What a show! Picnic time, hooray, hooray! Forest friends all help today. Fold the napkins, pour the juice. Tie the bows with bright chartreuse. Working side by side with cheer. Every paw